right, guys. So our goal today is to take our Tamiya dump truck, our new Bobcat skid steer. We're going to load the skid steer onto the trailer. We're going to get down to our dirt pile that's in the back there that we need to move. We're going to see how much dirt we can get loaded in this truck before running out of battery. I don't think we'll get the truck full. I've only got 2 batteries, and just with my little bit of testing in the garage, I don't think they're going to last very long. So we're going to have to check them after probably 8 to 10 minutes worth of run time and check our voltage. We don't want to drop these packs below, I don't want to go below 3.5 a cell if possible. That can start getting hard on the packs. They're only 800 milliamps, so they're just not going to last very long, but that's all that you can fit in this little guy. Well, with the configuration that it's in on the interior anyway. I did get a little brooder guy, managed to get him in there. I'll show you guys on another video how I did that. Tight fit, that is so tight in there. Let's just say he's missing some lower half of his body there. But anyhow, so he's in. But let's get this thing loaded up, go get to the dirt pile and see what we can get done. All right, guys, so I got the battery in here. I've got the standard radio configuration from the factory. So I'm gonna try running it like that for right now. I haven't had a chance to dig into the radio and get that set up. But I wanna get this thing tried out in the dirt and see what it'll do. Ooh, she's scraping her back right there. Ooh, she's scraping her back. I might have to go backwards up this thing. All right, okay. Let's spin her around. Let's go backwards. It's probably the way you should load them anyway, I think. What I remember. The more I run my pump, the less juice I have to play with. Okay, so there we go. It's loaded up. It didn't fly off the trailer. All right, here we go. First scoop of dirt. These controls are so difficult. Nothing is ergonomic about them. Especially after running my other machines. So what I gotta do is build a ramp here. By the time I get the ramp built, I'll probably be out of battery. I do like that bucket, the way it opens. Oh! Dumped a little dirt on myself. I knew that was gonna happen. Try to. Everything I want to do, I can't do because the controls are messed up. I cannot get it together. Like if this was the only machine I'd ever run, I might be able to get used to it, but oh my word. Nothing is ergonomic about this. My brain does not function this way. Get that out of there. Shut that pump off. Oh wait, I need the pump on. I gotta raise it. Ooh. Just about there. Let's see. I'll be able to open it there. Alright, that'll work. Ah, not it, not it, not it, not it. Oh, dumping more dirt on myself. Alright, I cannot get used to that. Let's try and fill it again. Problem is the drive, what I would normally drive with, I can't drive with. Let's see, down. Nope. Yeah. Raise. Open. That garbage in there. Yeah, until I get this machine set up the way I want, I'm going to be a terrible operator. Even right after doing an operation, I forget what I'm doing. Okay, we go up. Let's see now, down. Yeah, I want to level that out. Go up. Okay. Okay. Got that. Okay, I better check the battery now. Let me get this thing leveled out. Okay, pump off. Let's check the battery. Okay, so we're close. It's at 376 a cell, so I don't have much time left on it. I keep turning the sound on and off, so I'm not going to worry about having the sound running right now. Oh, that's... Unbelievable how unergonomic this is. I cannot get my brain to operate on this level. One more and we'll check the battery again. Maybe, if I can get that far. Seriously, my instincts try to take over. Might as well dump this one right here because my ramp's getting... lot of grass in there. All right, so we got 4.2 volts of cell, 8.4 volts going in this little booger for our second battery. It's like a high centered right there. It's not super strong in the hydraulic region. Oh, just high-centered again. My dirt's too soft. Oh. No, I'm gonna dump. Good thing. Oh, my word. Dumping dirt all over my machine. High-centered again. Okay, well, I've run it enough to know I do not like the way this radio is set up. It's frustrating, aggravating, and beyond, not even close to what I would set my radio up to be for this machine. So, man, it's awful. And I can't get my head wrapped around it. I don't have the brain power. Especially after running all my other machines for so long. You can kind of see how weak the hydraulics are. I mean, it's tiny. It's a Bobcat. So, everything I want to do. So I want to run these controls for either the bucket movement, because it just seems more natural. I mean, this bucket movement seems fine, but when I'm trying to run the machine back and forth with these, it's just awful. And then to tilt the bucket, it's like I gotta run that and then run it forward, and naturally this is forward and backwards for me, so it's just this constant fight with my brain. And without the powerful hydraulics, you don't know what's going on. Your brain switches gears again on, for me. See, like right now, I'm pulling up. I don't have the power to do anything right there. See, and I go left or right to tilt the bucket like I would on my other machines, and it doesn't work. Back off a little bit. See, and then lift the arms. That's the only thing that's natural, is lifting the arm. Everything else just doesn't coincide with my brain waves. Okay, now I gotta tilt it down. So I think I push forward. There we go. And I can't get all the way to the truck either right now. So I'll tilt it forward, then I need to open the bucket. Okay, then back up. And I can't back up now because I'm high-centered. Tilt the, make sure that's tilted back out of the way. Yeah, my dirt is too loose. Because once I get up there, if I spin out just a little bit, it drops the belly down onto the ground. So I need wetter dirt. This dirt's super dry. See, now I was trying to lift the bucket, like I was trying to lift the bucket with this one, and I'm spinning. So I just can't get it. Nothing to cooperate in my head. See? And what you got to do is run the machines a little bit. Get your head to figure out what it wants, and then program your radio. So like I kind of know what I want to happen, and I think we're out of juice now. Okay, tilt it forward. Tilt it back. Tilt it. Can't get anything. And I think we might be done. I need to check my battery. Shut the pump off. So that's it. I'll have to manually load the tractor onto the truck. We got half a load of dirt into the truck, so that's not too bad. With not being able to get the operations quite right, it still loaded pretty decent. So with my extra side panels on here, I've got to build quite the ramp over on the one side of it, and this dirt is just too loose, so I need to use better material, wetter material, build my ramp. But I'm just using what's there, so it'd be better if it was wetter material to start out with. But anyway, gives us a good idea what we're working with here. Probably before you see me operate this thing again, due to the frustration, she will be getting a radio overhaul.